Hello and welcome to today's Smart Money Tip. I want to share a 3-step process with you that has helped me be more successful in my career, more successful in my business, and has helped me make significantly more money for all of my efforts. So this 3-step process can be used whether you are looking for a new job, trying to be that superstar in the job you already have, or you're trying to start a business. So the 3-step process is this: action, traction, and then attraction. So let's go ahead and start with action. So whenever you are taking on a new job or a new business or launching something new in your business, you have to take action, right? You got to be making those phone calls, writing those blogs, shooting those videos, getting out, meeting with the people, getting on LinkedIn, digging in, figuring out who is the person that you need to connect with, right? Who can you help? Who has problems that you can solve? You're the solution for who? You've got to figure that out, and then you've got to take action. And in most cases, you have to take massive action. I'm talking hitting that phone, right? Whatever you have to do, you have to take action. When I first started my business, I'm going to tell you right now, I started from nothing, right? We had lost a home because of the Great Recession, and we had moved into this little rental property, and I started in this little small room, a little bit bigger than a closet, and I just started taking action. Lots and lots of action. I would wake up early, I would write those website posts, I would make the phone calls, I would work on my book. I just kept taking action, action, action. And guess what? All of that action finally led to traction. I started getting somewhere. I started making inroads. I started making those connections. I started getting the people I needed on the phone. And I started to have success, right? But it didn't come without taking action, right? Some people, it took me weeks or months to connect with. But I finally got that traction, or I finally found someone who could help me figure out, how do I get my book published on Amazon? Or where do I find that editor? Or how do I work with more doctors? Or whatever it was. But taking that action is what got me to have that traction, okay? Now, as I started having traction, guess what? I started making more money. I started being happier. I started making even more connections. And guess what? It led to the 3rd step, which is attraction. Now, this is the fun one. You can actually gain a certain amount of momentum or critical mass where you actually start to attract success and wealth to yourself. You start to attract more clients to yourself. Guess what? I'm going to tell you right now, my number one stream of income inside of my business is actually new clients that come from referrals, right? So I took the action, I got the traction, and now because of doing a good job with clients, they want to send me their mom. They want to introduce me to their business partner. They want to introduce me to somebody at church. So all of that action led to the traction, and now I'm in the attraction phase. Okay? Now, whenever I start a new project, I think through this stuff, right? Right now, I'm getting ready to write another book. Okay? This can be incredibly daunting, right? I've written 8 books. My average book takes me over 200 hours. So when I commit to writing a book, man, it's got to mean something, and I've got to block out the time. I've got to take massive action. But I believe by taking that action, it's going to lead to traction, and then by getting that book on Amazon, it's going to attract, right? Just look at my YouTube channel. Man, I started out with 0 subscribers. I worked at this for years, and then I finally started throwing lots of time and attention, doing videos more regularly, understanding the algorithms, and as of this video, I have over 460,000 subscribers. Anyway, I don't share any of this to brag, but to help you be more successful. I want you to, reach your goals faster, and I want you to make more money, right? So how is this done? taking lots of action, finally getting that traction, and then attraction, attracting that wealth to you, attracting that new client, attracting that referral. Hey, I hope that you found this valuable, because this 3-step process I use over and over again. I think about it regularly, and it has helped me to be more successful. Hey, I just want to thank you for being a part of my community and remind you that you are amazing. Now go ahead and get started on these 3 steps to more success, and I'll see you on the next video.